Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Microsoft Excel for completely free. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store app, then go to the search bar at the top and type Copilot 365. You will see different options, but look for the one labeled Copilot 365. It should say Free. Click on it, then select the blue Install button. After installing, log in with your Microsoft account. If that method does not work, here's another way. Open your browser, search for Copilot 365. From the results, click on the official Microsoft site. Once there, sign in using your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will be taken to the home screen. Look for the Install Apps button and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose the option that includes Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive. Once selected, a setup file will download. Open the file and follow the installation steps. After installation, go to your search bar, type Excel, and the application should appear. You can now use it offline on your computer. So that's basically how you can download Microsoft Excel for completely free. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.